screen. Wonder why that is.
Your little tribute was pretty darn good.
I liked it too. Although I made one really goof. In the beginning I didn't say Caroline and I think I said I, didn't I?
I didn't notice.
And that kind of left her out. That was another goof.
Would you do that at church?
Sure.
And Keith isn't here for me to ask, but I could call Julie. She gives the announcements before we start the service.
Uh-huh.
And if she agrees...
Oh, you mean in front of the congregation?
Yeah.
Okay. I mean, most public speaking I've done since the 80th birthday party or since the wedding anniversary, I guess.
Okay. I'm going to turn on the computer, and as soon as I think it's warm, I'll email her name.
Okay.
They call too. Maybe that's where it's good.
Uh-huh.
But there are places where it's good, I know that.
So I'm getting some action photos on this live video feed here.
Deer every day. It's a deer. I think you better take some pictures just in case. And I want my chair back here.
Okay, I'll move it.
Okay.
Well, this is fun. It doesn't cost big bucks like movie film. Once you have the camera, it's practically free.
Yeah, but it'll add to your...
Raisin Bran would be fine. I'm not too hungry.
Okay. It's kind of like Cheerios. Okay.
It's another action photo of you getting the cereal.
Sorry, I didn't get that. What?
This is another action photo of you getting the cereal out. So what brand do we have for this morning? Post Raisin Bran.
Is it Post?
Oh no, it's IGA Raisin Bran. Delicious.
Carolyn, eat the Raisin Bran particularly, but he insists on something bran. Oh.
And you always like to mix them together, right? Two different cereals.
Well, I don't care much whether bran is or not, but he wants some bran flakes, but he doesn't seem to want it all bran.
Good morning, Dad.
Well, good morning.
I hope you don't mind.
No,
Just for fun.
I'm kind of puzzled, but I thought the light bulb had blown off behind me.
I don't mean to blind you. I'm sorry. Here, I'll turn it off.
That's bad, really. The lighting.
So, good morning.
Yeah. Good morning.